everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and the question for today is remove all adjacent duplicates in a string 2. Alright, so given a string S and k duplicate removal consists of choosing k adjacent and equal letters from S and removing them and causing left and right side of the delete subject to concatenate together. So basically we have given some kind of a string and an integer value 3. So alright, if the character is repeating, that is it duplicated exactly the number of times that is given to us, so we have to remove it. So in the first iteration, as we can see, if we remove EE and CCC, so what we get is this. So as we can see, after removing this, the P becomes twice again, so we remove it again, then D becomes, and then finally we are left with A, so we return the A. So that's how we have to do. We have to do some repeated removals. It's not like in one go we have to find it and remove it. We have to do it again and again and concatenate it and perform the same function on it. Alright, I hope it's clear. The statement is clear. Yeah, the k won't be changing, k would be the same. Yeah, only the string would be changing. Alright, I hope you gotten a little bit of idea about how we are going to solve this problem. Little later I will be giving you as an intuition approach for this would be in situations kind of with these where we are have to perform some things like removal or adding or like traversing the string and finding some things, then one ideal way to use is to take a help of stack. Alright, so stack can be both recursive as well. So a recursive solution would also go well if written perfectly. Alright, so I know some of you might be weak at making some recursive approach, no doubt. And iterative approach would be taking a stack only and just popping and inserting the elements as if they are matched or not, and keep in check with the value k as well. Alright, I hope these things are fine. Let's see the constraint and see what else is given to us. Alright, so yeah, so what else given to us over here is that the s dot length would be from 1 to 10 to the power 5, so it won't be an empty string, so we won't be needing a check for that. I hope that's clear. And the value of k would be 2 to 10 to the power 4. Alright, now why 2? Alright, if there is 1, then we have to remove all the characters and we have to return null, so that check is also removed. So minimum 2 is there and 10 to the power 4 obviously, and it contains only lowercase letters. So here I don't think that making a hash of this would help, because I know in some questions, if this is criteria is given that it consists of only lowercase letters, then the first thing comes to anyone's mind would be take a hash map. But no, it won't be effective here because the original order matters here. Alright, there are some cases. I know I'm going some off topic here, but these little tips help you to make an intuitive approach on your own, so the next time you face any question you can approach it as well. Alright, so yeah, so if anyone has seen my previous videos, they'll know that I've always mentioned that if we first thing we see in constraint that it case lowercase letter, the first thing that pops into our head would be a hash map. Alright, but no, it won't be useful over here. Why so? Because the order matters. Alright, if they're together and they're duplicated, then we have to remove. Alright, so suppose the string is a and b d a. Alright, and k is 3. Alright, if we remove this, then we get with a d a. Alright, yeah, so here we will return this, and in case we have make a hash for this and we have seen that all the values that equals to k, we remove that, then we are left with d only. But that's not the answer over here. Alright, I hope the test case is clear to everyone why we are not using hash over here. Alright, and another approach would be a recursive or a stack approach. I told you why, so that. Alright, let's see the code. Alright, I am not going to approach or like that in detail because the code is very simple for this. Alright, I know always a recursive solution is always simple for this, so let's dive it in and let's see how we are going with the recursive solution as well over here. Alright, so yeah, basically what I have done is I have traversed the string. I have taken one count value. Alright, if the count is the characters are similar, that is it's similar to its previous character, what we do is we increment count because we get a duplicate. Alright, or else we stay count as 1 as well, because 1 is for single letter. Already if we get a duplicate value, that means there are 2, So that's why we are adding 1 to it. It makes the count 2 as well. Right, we are not returning here 2 because the count value can be 3, 4 as well. And now we compare that. If the count is equals to the k, we remove that part of the string from it using this substring operation, and we again call the duplicate on it. Alright. So again it would be called, and finally we will return s. Alright, as you can see it's accepted as well, so no need to submit it again. And still, if any of you is facing any doubt regarding this approach, you can ask me in the comment section anytime. I will try to reply to every one of you. Alright, so yeah, I hope this approach is clear. It's a very simple approach, the best I can do for you. And yeah, and if you like this video, please like this video and press the like button, and also share it among your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.